Hey, welcome back to Low Energy Tastings. Before I begin, yes, I know I've been missing out on a lot of live streams, but last week I was in Dublin, and now, tonight, I've got something else I want to do, so I'm not going to be doing a live stream. But I found something interesting, so I thought I can give you out some content. And tomorrow and Friday, Sunday, I should be able to give you some proper live streaming. Next few weeks, I might even be able to come out with a new game. We'll see. Yeah, so I was getting some stuff for tonight, snacks, alcohol, my usual fare to keep the devil away of sobriety and boredom. And I was heading back to the till when I found Doritos Collisions. Oh yeah. Um, Now Ireland doesn't have that much in the way of Dorito flavors. When we got that Doritos Extreme, we kind of lost our shit. The roulette one, the one where every few is incredibly spicy. But after that gimmick lasted, and I think they changed the recipe because it got really bland really quick. I remember Melbucky, Chris, and myself trying a few, and every once in a while we're like, woohoo! But nope, not anymore. It seems either we adapted pretty quickly or... Anyway, this is just basically two flavors. As you can see here, it is a lot of glare, but after a second, there we are. Habanero chili and guacamole. Flavored corn chips. That's what it says in the back. New Dorito Collisions deliver an exciting combination of two flavors in one bag. Henceforth, it is just two products put into the same bag. Ooh. Spicy jalapeno chili collided with creamy guacamole to deliver a unique and delicious snacking experience. Are you bold enough to try? And look. They put bold. They put bold in. Well, I am on the internet. I am wearing a nerdy hat. I suppose I have to eat Doritos. I don't have any Mountain Dew, but I always have an American classic. So, ooh, smells okay. I literally just opened this before it started. I can smell the habanero far more than I can smell guacamole, but let's see which one is this. Ooh, that's the habanero. Okay. Well, that one was the habanero, and it was a little bit... It was guacamole. God damn it. Actually, I'm getting a taste of peanut, believe it or not. I like peanut. It's official, Low Energy Videos likes nuts. But... let's see what this one is. I think that was a guacamole because there's not really much in the way of flavor. Now these are fine. They're Doritos. Over here we prefer our crisps that they don't need like dipping sauces constantly. They can stand up on their own. I found American crisps to be kind of meh a lot of times, but alright to snack on their own. Ooh, that one was habanero, and it was coated in the powder, so ooh, that's not too bad. Anyone who knows real spice would just laugh at these in terms of spiciness, and anyone who knows, I mean, for the record, this is how much you actually get. You only get half a pack. Like, you know how it goes, the whole Pringles versus Lay's thing. Well, that's not as bad. I've had Lay's, and yeah, there's a reason they don't do too well over here. We got Walkers, and King, and Tato. Oh, fuck yeah, Tato. I gotta do a video one time of Low Energy Travels and Tato Land. Oh, that's gonna be chaos. Oh, yeah, so I'll be doing something tomorrow. Live stream, long haul to make up for my absence. Until then, I'll see you all tonight on. Well, as you say, we have a most likely a podcast in common. Until then, if you liked what you saw, you want to suggest something else for me that you think I'll be able to pick up, comments are there for it, as well as a good old-fashioned thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're a sick person. But you know you are because you're watching me. Touche. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing. I'll be here molesting my beard until then. So, bye.